everyone, it's Jaromsz here. For today's video,
We are going to Gracos Downhill Resort.
see you!
Let's explore one of the resorts in Murcia. Literal na downhill talaga. Mas better if you have private transportation or vehicle kapag pumunta dito kasi malayo siya sa highway. They have two pools here, one for adult and the other one is for kids. One of their famous spots here is the rainbow stairs. This is the photo of their kiddie pool kasi hindi pala na-capture ng video namin. You can bring baon here but they have corkage. Kapag hindi kayo nakapagbaon, they have canteen here. Good thing that they have lifeguards here and they are using spring water on their pools. They also have overnight accommodations, grilling station, and a bonfire area. Let's go upstairs naman to see their viewing deck. Medyo mataas nga lang yung aakyatin kaya make sure to be prepared. So dito sa taas, they have these angel wings for photo op. And ito yung view sa taas where you can see the whole area. O diba parang naka-drone lang. Hindi pala kita dito sa taas yung kiddie pool but on this side siya. So what are you waiting for? Visit Gracos Downhill Resort now.
So that's it for today. See you next destination. Bye.